Hey, what is going on, everyone? But you're all surprised to see me here again. Well, heck, I'm surprised to see myself. But you know what? I know I told y'all in the last video I had to go. I had to do some packing. I'm leaving to go out of town early in the morning. That's exactly what I intend to do. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing. But I did, since I do have a little bit of free time before I go to bed, I want to address you guys one more time and say, hey, man, your comments is what really keeps me going, man. Thank you so much, everyone, for being so supportive. So I wanted to drop this video, another video tonight, just to tell you guys thank you, but also, hey, let's talk about Ken Griffin. I do want to bring up one comment that I did receive today. In the last video, I think it was entitled something along the lines of Ken Griffin is going to take my channel down, and somebody said, hey, no. If he can't take your channel down, he's going to take YouTube down, or maybe even the entire internet. How true that is. How sad, but true, because you know what? That is exactly what Ken Griffin will do, will try to do, will attempt to do, because he's got the money to be able to do so. So sad for us retail investors that, we really do not have the funds to put up a fight against this jerk-off. At one point in time, we did. Now, the time will come again for us, right? And it'll be coming very soon. I know it will. I'm just waiting on the day to come, which is why I'm waiting patiently, and I'm fighting this scumbag tooth and nail. But we all have to be united. We all have to be together. We all have to be on the same page in order to defeat these dark forces. Well, this dark force, which in our case just happens to be, well, none other than Ken Griffin, which is why I spend so much time on my channel talking about him, discussing everything that this douchebag is into. I tell you every single move he makes before he even thinks about making it, because I know him better than he knows himself. Actually, it's because, I'd like to be super rich, right? So I think how billionaires think. No, I made all that up. I know this jerkwad because I've been reporting on him, and my subs know this. If you've been subbed here for a while, you already know how long I've been making videos about Ken Griffin. It's been like over 2 years. I tell you everything he does before the guy even thinks about doing it. Before he sneezes, I make a video called Achoo. Because, hey, that's what I do. That's what I'm best at. It's exposing the dark side of, well, I was going to say people, but is Ken Griffin people? Is Ken Griffin a person? No, he's a douchebag, so I suppose I'm best at exposing the dark side of douches. I expose all of the douchebags, all of those that try to steal our bananas, all of those that try to take your nanner pudding. You know, that nanner pudding that was really good, made your tummy feel warm inside after you ate it. Your nana made it. No pun intended, right? So, guys, listen, thank you so much for supporting this movement. Everybody that's still here today watching these videos, man, glad to have you on my team, because we're going to have to do this together. Now, I'm still trying to figure a few things out, figure out exactly how we're going to defeat this ass clown. But when I do, you're going to be the first to know, and we're going to have to all unite once again like we did before in order to stand a chance against this billionaire, right? This Ken Griffin character, this ass clown, this jerk-off, this douchebag, this no-gooder, right? You know what? He's been stealing from me for way too long, and I just don't like it. I don't like it when people steal from me. I'm sure you don't like it when people steal from you. I don't like it when people steal from us, because when he steals from me, he's not just stealing from me, he's stealing from you as well. So I need to be able to count on you guys. Like, when he comes after me, hey, he's got to come after you too, right? He's got to go through all of us just to get to one of us. And I'm not just saying this because he sent me a cease and desist letter and I'm like scared or nothing. No, not at all. Like, don't worry about that part of it. No. All jokes aside, guys, hey, we got to go after this dude. We got to go after him hard. I'm about to put my thinking cap on. This isn't it. About to put my thinking cap on. We're going to have to get to the bottom of this. We're going to have to figure out what we must do as a community, as a group, as a family. Okay, did you guys hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? As a family. We all eat bananas together. Split a banana with me, because we're one family, one team, one group. Teamwork makes the dream work. The dream at this point in time is to take down Ken Griffin and get all of our money back, and then also maybe make some profits. But we can't make that work unless we're all on the same team working together. That's my goal here, baby. Now, we're going to do this. I'm going to get my thinking cap on. I'm going to figure this out. Just need you guys to be on my side when I do figure it out. Those are the words I wanted to leave you guys with before I take my trip tomorrow. Probably going to be the last words you hear from me tonight, unless I just, for some reason, can't sleep or something. But I should be able to. At least I hope I can. I don't know, man. You know, Ken Griffin's in my nightmares. He's in my dreams. Well, his money's in my dreams, but he's in my nightmares, to be specific. I wanted to clarify that for everyone. But anyhow, guys, hey, thank you so much, man. I can't say that enough. I really just can't. Thank you for fighting this fight alongside me. And I'll see you guys in the next video, but not before you smash that thumbs up button, because hey, I need you to do so that we can reach more apes that can join the fight alongside with us and, you know, fight the fight with us. We need as many apes as possible on our team. So do your part. I'm doing mine. I'm recording these videos every day. Spreading awareness, man, it's contagious. I just need you guys to smash that like button, leave a comment. Do whatever you got to do. Share the video everywhere. Because we have to make a difference in our lives, because nobody else will. Last thing I want to leave you guys with is that if you fail to plan, then you're planning to fail. Anyhow, it sounds good to me. Hope it sounds good to you guys too. I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to smash that thumbs up button. Do not forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, you're going to love the content that I provide on this channel. And yeah, it's Friday night. Let's go out there and have a blast, baby.